Hey YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install PHP and MySQL on a Windows computer using Laragon. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is open up a browser here. And I'm going to search for Laragon. Okay, so I'm going to click on Laragon, and Laragon is another way to install PHP on your computer. You can see this testimonial here. I was using XAMPP for local development until about a year ago when I found Laragon, and I haven't looked back since. And if we go down here, well, we can go just to our download folder. Okay, and what we can do is we can download Laragon, the full, or we could do a portable. I'm going to do the full here, so let's click on that, and that's going to go ahead and download. So it's downloaded. My virus checker just checked it. It's safe. That's pretty cool. You can also notice here with the download notes, it says after downloading, you can add Git, PHPMyAdmin, Node.js, MongoDB, Python, Django Flask, Postgres, Ruby, Java, or Go using tools quick add. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so maybe we'll try that out. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder. So we'll go to downloads here. And we've got this Laragon WAMP file. So I'm going to click open. Okay, so after clicking yes, that Laragon can make changes to your PC, we'll have the setup wizard show up. So I'm going to keep it at English, but you can select a lot of different things: English, the British version, Spanish, French, Italian, Korean, and so on. I'm going to click OK. And it's going to install it in the C directory under the folder Laragon. That's fine. I'll click next. You need about 1 gigabyte of space, just slightly less. I'm going to keep this all checked and click next. I'll click install, and it's going to go ahead and install. Okay, so you'll see here that after we complete the Laragon setup, to complete the installation of Laragon, setup must restart after your computer. Would you like to restart now? So what I'm going to do is I'll pause the recording because I'm on OBS Studio and it's going to stop it. And then restart my computer and I'll come on back. See you then. Okay, so Laragon is installed. So I'm going to click to open Laragon. I'm going to click Start All. It's going to ask to allow Windows Command Processor to make changes to my computer. You can say yes. And then we've got this going here. So we've got Apache going on port 80 and MySQL going on port 3306. Now, if I click on web here, it'll go to localhost, and this is where it's showing Laragon. Now, if I do, I'll show you where I put this test folder. I did this test folder in VS Code. If I go to test, you see right on the upper hand corner here, hello world. And that corresponds to this file here that I wrote under test. Now, you have to place that folder. You have to go to your C drive, and then you'll have this folder Laragon. And then you go into www, and I place my folder test here, and I have my index.php. Now, if you see here, this other index here, if I were to take a look at this, let's do show more options, open with code, and I want to take a look at that file. Yes, I trust the authors. Look at index.php. Now it's going to, sometimes the VS Code is going to throw up a warning, so you have to configure the path. But here we go. Here's the actual Laragon index page, and this is all the styling for it. And you see the info, the link to getting started, which goes to laragon.org.docs, all that stuff. But if you just want to start, creating, go here, I have this folder test with index.php. I could do maybe another PHP here. Let's echo. Let's do Laragon is pretty cool. Okay, and then we'll close that out and we'll save it. And then if I go back to my browser here, let me refresh this. It says hello world. Laragon is pretty cool. Okay, so that's where you put the folder. So that's cool. I'm going to stop this right now, and if we go up here, we can look at all the things that we have here. We could run Laragon when Windows starts, or you maybe don't want to do that. Let's see, you can change your ports here. You can, let's see, display email in a small window when that's enabled, mail sender. You've got some other stuff here. If I go click on root, that brings me just to this Laragon www folder. If I click on the terminal, it's gonna be a little issue, but it brings up, it actually installs Commander, which is CMDER, which is a really good terminal on Windows that you can install. So it installs that when you install Laragon, so that's pretty cool. Let's see, what else? If we go here to PHP, it gives you the version, and I just right-clicked on here. If I go to Tools here, its default is Notepad++. If I want to go down here, I can add Notepad in a terminal. I can quickly add, now this is, I can quickly add different things. So if I want to add PHPMyAdmin, it's downloading and quickly adding PHPMyAdmin. All right, so let's let it go ahead and do that. Okay, now let's try starting all. And so we got that going. Here, we'll do localhost. Let's just try PHPMyAdmin. And there we go. So we got PHPMyAdmin installed. And right here, I'm going to use the username as root and leave the password blank. Click login, and there we go. We are on in PHPMyAdmin. We can get going that way. Pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet stuff that we can do with Laragon. So hopefully you found this video interesting. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you want me to do a tutorial on PHP, let me know. All right, and you can let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.